Hello students, today in this video we will learn various facts regarding water and its sources. So let's begin. We have learned many things about water. Now let us learn some more interesting facts. While nearly 70% of the world is covered by water, only 2.5% of it is fresh. The rest is saline and ocean-based. Even then, just 1% of our fresh water is easily accessible, with much of it trapped in glaciers and slopes. Now, to make it simple, let us consider this glass is full of water, and this water is what is present on earth. Now, if this is the quantity of water that is present on earth, then up to here, whatever water is there, it is all saline. That means it is not fit for drinking. You will find it in oceans and seas, and not at all fit for drinking. Only this much water is what is fit for drinking, or we can say fresh water. And here also some of the part is frozen, that is, it is in the form of ice in the snowfields and in glaciers. So can you see, only this much water of the glass is the water that we can drink. So we should think 1,000 times before wasting water. As I was saying, most of the waters are found in the oceans. It is one of the major sources of water. Do you know how many oceans are there? There are 5 oceans, and here is the list: the Arctic Ocean, the Southern Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, and the Pacific Ocean. Now this list is from smallest to largest. That means the largest ocean is the Pacific Ocean and the smallest ocean is the Arctic Ocean. You may also read sometimes that there are 7 oceans. That is also correct, because sometimes the Pacific Ocean is also called North Pacific Ocean and South Pacific Ocean. Like that, Atlantic Ocean is also sometimes called North Atlantic and South Atlantic. Then it becomes 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But as a total, we can say that there are 5 oceans in the world. The Arctic Ocean being the smallest and the Pacific Ocean being the largest. Next source of water is sea. Now in general, a sea is defined as a portion of the ocean that is partly surrounded by land. You can also consider sea as a part of ocean. Ocean has a large area, sea has lesser area than the ocean, and somewhere it is partly surrounded by land, that you will find land in some of its parts. So some of the examples of sea are Mediterranean Sea, Caribbean Sea, Arabian Sea, Red Sea, Andaman Sea. You can read about many other seas also. Do you know India is surrounded by Arabian Sea on the west, Bay of Bengal, which is also sea, on the east, and Indian Ocean on the south. Let us have a look at the map. Can you see? Here you can see Bay of Bengal. This is Indian Ocean, and here you can see the Arabian Sea. Now since in the map this is north, so this becomes south, here east, and here west. So in the east you can find Bay of Bengal, sea. In the south you can find the Indian Ocean, which is the ocean, and the Arabian Sea to the west. So that's why the states here, all these states, you will find sea beaches. See, some of the Indian beaches are Digha Beach, which is in West Bengal, Chandipur Beach, which is in Orissa, Juhu Beach and Aksa Beach is in Maharashtra, and Kandalum Beach is in Goa. So here in this part, these states, they do not enjoy the sea beaches, but people here living in these states can enjoy the sea beaches. So 1, 2 and 3. India is surrounded by water from 3 sides with 2 seas and 1 ocean. Now let's move on to rivers. We all know about rivers. Rivers are water bodies flowing towards an ocean, sea or another river. So when a river flows, it generally goes, the water mixes with the water of an ocean or a sea or maybe some other river. Here you can see 3 pictures. This picture is of the longest river in the world. Can you name this river? This is the longest river. And this river is Nile. This is the Nile River. It is the longest river in the world. Here, this is the widest river in the world. It is widest river, and it is the Amazon River. Right? And here, this is the deepest river. It is very deep. And this river is the Congo River. Right? So we get the longest river, the widest river, and the deepest river. Longest is Nile, widest is Amazon, and the deepest is Congo. Let's move on. Now let us know about the Indian rivers. We are lucky enough to have lots of rivers. The Ganga, Brahmaputra, Narmada, Krishna, Kaveri, Godavari, and many, many more. Can you recognize this? This is the Ganga. Ganga is the longest river in India. Okay? Ganga is the longest river in India. And can you recognize this? This is the mighty Brahmaputra river. And Brahmaputra is both widest and deepest river of India. So, the longest river in the world is Nile. The longest river in India is the Ganga. The widest river in the world is Amazon. The widest river in India is Brahmaputra. The deepest river in the world is Congo River, and the deepest river in India is the Brahmaputra. Then we come to lakes. There are various lakes in India. Here you can find some of the biggest lakes in India. Vembanan Lake in Kerala, Chilka Lake in Orissa, Shivaji Sagar Lake in Maharashtra, Indira Sagar Lake in Madhya Pradesh, Pangong Lake in Ladakh, Puliket Lake in Andhra Pradesh, Sardar Sarovar Lake in Gujarat, Nagarjuna Sagar Lake in Nalgonda, Loktak Lake in Manipur, Vular Lake in Kashmir. These are some of the biggest lakes in India. Now, what are these water sources? These are called waterfalls. Waterfalls, where water falls from a great height. This is the highest waterfall in India, which is Kuchikal Fall in Karnataka. And this is the highest waterfall in the world, the Angel Falls in Venezuela. Aren't these beautiful waterfalls? Indeed, they are. I'm sure today we have learned lots of things, but we can learn more if we keep reading and keep learning. Thank you for watching the video and take care.